Excellencies, dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's for us, Portugal, and for me personally, a big honor to be here today with you, and I would like to thank the organizers for the opportunity to address you. It's for us as a country really an honor, but also a joy to join this leadership circle. We've been, as you know, already a part of the UN group of friends, and we are animated by what Dr. John Wood said about the increasing number of members of this group. Now, our participation in this leadership circle also shows, I believe, our solidarity and also our commitment to contributing to eliminating hepatitis. And I believe that this commitment also fits well with the global theme of this year's General Assembly, which is rebuilding trust and reigniting global solidarity. And I believe it also fits well with the overall discussion that we are having this week during the high-level week on the Sustainable Development Goals. As my colleague from Egypt also already mentioned, health is part of those Sustainable Development Goals. But we in Portugal also believe that health is object of a comprehensive view, and we also believe that health is a subject to be addressed in a cross-cutting manner throughout the activity of the United Nations, not only through the eyes of the sustainable development, but also through the eyes of the other two pillars of the United Nations, both peace and security and also human rights. I would not like to steal the thunder of my minister, who will dwell on what Portugal is doing later on, but I would just like to say two more things. One of them is obviously to reassure you of our commitment at the permanent mission here in New York to help your activities, and you can count on us to continue to do so. And with a view to making reality this global vision that Dr. Javi Alter was telling us so eloquently about. And the last thing would be to already now invite you to come to Portugal. Every year, but especially next year, as we will be in April from 9th to the 11th organizing the World Hepatitis Summit. Thank you so much.